And then if that mula, that foundation, that karmashaya, if it still persists, if it is still active, then, and it is bound to be active. So sati mule tad vipakah jatyayurbhogaha. And that foundation, so long as that foundation is alive and that foundation persists, it is there definitely, unless it is consumed. So tad vipakah, its results are three: the birth in a particular family where the fruits of action could be consumed, the relevant fruits of action could be consumed. So that is jati, that is janma. And ayuhu, span of life. The span of life would also be as much as required for full consumption of all past actions done, performed in the previous life or lives. And then bhoga, enjoyment. Enjoyment, both enjoyment as well as suffering. Whatever enjoyments are due as a result of the actions performed in the past, that will also that will be consumed in this life, and that much of life would be there, that much would be the lifespan which is required for full consumption of that vipaka. And the experience, unless you have already had experience of your past actions, the experience, whatever is due, will have to be done in this life itself. So sati mule tad vipakah jati ayuh and bhoga. Jati is birth, ayu is lifespan, and bhoga is experience. So that all these three are there as required for consumption of the previous past righteous or unrighteous action performed in the past. The Sutra 14, te lada paritapa phalah punya punya hetutvat. So, if there is in your store the righteous acts performed in the past, so that the consequences of those actions will be lada, that is happiness. And if you have unrighteous actions in your store and the fruits thereof, then that will be paritapa. Paritapa is unhappiness. So punya punya hetutvat, depending upon what actions are to be, what types of actions are to be consumed in this life. If those actions were righteous actions, then their consequences would be lada, that is ananda, happiness. And if the actions were unrighteous, So their consequences would be unhappiness. So punya punya hetutvat.